Pacific Ocean. The Pacific is also our planet's deepest water body, with an average depth of approximately 4,000 meters (13,000 feet). The deepest place on Earth, known as Challenger Deep, extends to a depth of more than 11,000 meters (36,000 feet), and is found in the Mariana Trench, in the Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth's 5 oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and is bounded by the continents of Asia and Oceania in the west and the Americas in the east. Islands: Easter, Tahiti, Island of Hawaii, Bora Bora, Sakhalin, Guadalcanal, Kiritimati, More. Average depth: 4,280 meters, 14,040 feet. Area: 165.2 million square kilometers. Coordinates: 0 degrees north, 160 degrees west. 0 degrees north, 160 degrees west. Water volume: 710 million cubic kilometers, 170 million cubic miles. The Ring of Fire is a tectonic belt of volcanoes and earthquakes. It is about 40,000 kilometers long and up to about 500 kilometers wide, and surrounds most of the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire contains between 750 and 915 active or dormant volcanoes, around 2/3 of the world total. Why is called Pacific Ocean? When Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan reached the ocean in 1520, he felt the waters were calm and relaxed. As a result, he called the body of water Mar Pacifico, which means peaceful sea in both Portuguese and Spanish. Most maps and textbooks refer to it as the Pacific Ocean today. While all the islands of the South Pacific have crystal clear waters, palm-fringed beaches, and endless sunny days, they're all unique. Their cultures are different, and once away from the coast, their interiors vary from flat lagoon-filled plains to breathtaking mountain scenery.